Umolo serikali, umolo Jumojet, umolo network, umolo commander, umolo armed forces, umolo internet working, umolo networking, umolo Jumojet, umolo wawarukidi, yaka 2037. Erokamano makamu ne moluor waziri James Opiyo Wandayi, ne Archbishop marwa, waheshimiwa mathurwa kaendi, aneno waheshimiwa majirandwa ka, Naika Tindi, Senator mabende kijana mapotin mawuok Migori Eddie Okech, Mheshimiwa Onyango Koyo, ndalo moko nowachoga ni enimiye gi opao to pogo gojiko. Mheshimiwa Lilian Gogo ma wuok Rangwe Kaneya, gosiepna ma Mheshimiwa Magem Elisha Odhiambo, jo Ugunja, osiepe waziri gi welo duto, amoso ni Nyasaye ber, fwana uruka kunena. Erokamano e Wotsega oneno. Haya. Now, first of all, allow me to congratulate my brother, the Honorable CS for Energy and Petroleum, that as you continue to discharge your responsibilities of the CS for Energy and Petroleum, I want to wish you well in my personal capacity, but also to welcome you to the administration of President Ruto, that in his wisdom and in consultation with the leader of the Orange Democratic Party, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, you have been tasked to join his administration to help in steering the country forward. And as the people of Ugunja, as the people of Siaya, and as the people of this region, today gather here to celebrate you and to let you loose to go and serve the whole republic, that we wish you nothing but the best.
Thank you.
That the people of Ugunja are giving the country one of their best. Now, as the people of this region, it is not just an honor and a privilege to serve in government. It's an opportunity for us to make a difference in the lives of our people, so that as we bring electricity to every part of the country, then they can see diligent service from this part of the country. Together with your other colleagues who have joined the cabinet as part of the team that works in the executive, we assure you of our commitment, of our support, so that we make it proper and easy for His Excellency the President to deliver on his manifesto. Now, there have been a lot of issues that we have been faced with as a country, and none of us is a stranger in this republic. But one thing I would want to encourage and challenge all of us is that to be able to deliver, it's a process, it's a journey, and we have a responsibility as the leaders to engage the public so that they work together with us. As we work on electrifying the nation, the Honorable Elisha has alluded to the level of power connection in Ugunja and in Western Kenya as a whole. It's the determination of this administration that we push this to at least 80% electrification. Now you have a big task to ensure that that dream is realized. As a PS in charge of internal security, part of my responsibility is to ensure that we have a conducive environment for people to live and coexist. And I want to appeal to the young Kenyans, those who are here and across the country, that we are not going to advance as a country if we don't create that conducive environment, not just for ourselves, but for everybody. And as a government, we have opened our hands and we are willing to engage to ensure that that good environment prevails. Now, because today is not my day, I don't want to speak more than the chief guest. But katieko ne jothurwa. Eni kinde mathoth waluorore, wamanyo siasa, wayiero jotelo, kaeto wamiyogi kinde mondo giti. To kupenjo josiasa manika, ni onge ng'ama go siasa ma gombo ne ok bedo e sirikal kata loso sirikal. Kawuono koro wan gi yawuotwa gi nyiwa manie sirikal. Gima duong' mwanyalo timo negi eni wabog tiendgi lo. Maka gidhi wacho weche mathurwa ka Nairobi, to gik magi wachogo chalo gi kido mwanyiso kaka oganda. So watemuru matek ni weche makoro ne wan godo chien ka koro bed ni waketo kando. Mondo kopio wandae dhi pogo stima, kowacho ni ma itimo Ugunja, kowacho ni ma itimo Siaya, tiyudo ka jo Siaya gi jo Ugenya gi jo Sega orwako gik mowachogo. Kaeto kochopo mbele sama ji ochako duogo manyo, to wamanye yo mokwe, to jomoyier bende wamiyo kinde mar mondo migiti. Atande en mjumbe malego usonga, kendo wiye ler, kendo en osiepna, kendo en mbasna. Kaka watimo ne Atande e kaka nyaka watim ne jotelo mamoko te moyier thurwa kaendi. Kaeto kasa ochopo to wapenjo gi penjo ni to gik mani wacho ni dhi timo ka be itimogi. Ka wayudo no timogi to wanuoyogi, to ma ok otimo wayudo thuolo mar mondo men tim nade wawilgi. Mheshimiwa Opiyo, now you are CS. There is a lot of expectation. The reality is that Kenyans are not very patient, but they are very good people. And they expect nothing but the best from the people who've been tasked with the responsibility to superintend over offices like the one that you hold. I know that you have the capacity, I know that you have the competence and the intellectual acumen to deliver on that expectation that Kenyans have of you. I wish you nothing but the very best. You can count on my support any day. Erukamano, Nyasaye ogwedhi. Mheshimiwa Atande. Mheshimiwa Atande wa godo mabor. One Mbese, and we are also looking at the best, not just for the people of this place, but for the country. Adwane jo Alego ung'iye gi wang' maber, jo Siaya ung'iye gi wang' maber, nikech gin ene league mar jo motegno. En ng'ama no kodonje siasa kawuono. Ka kinde ochopo, uwinj gik mowacho. Ero kamano. Pamne uruot kanyipir ni hawa. Joko cha uno kwa miu gimoro uno kupam. Joman kocha ka. Aya, koro watieko jodala wadoka watieko. Adwan mondo koro uikre. Adwan jathumere, ere jathum omera. Omera kwa dhi chuli. Wadwa luongo chief guest kae. We want to invite the chief guest.